everybody, my name is Kimi from Haftoner Institute of Turkey. Today I'm going to teach you some basic but very important grammar of Turkish language. Let's start with making a singular word to a plural one. In order to turn a singular word to a plural one, you only have to add lar or ler to the end of the word, which depends on the last vowel of the word. Pay attention. If the word that you're trying to make plural ends with one of these vowels, a, o, u, you have to add lar to make it plural. But if the last vowel of your word is e, i, u, then you have to add lar. Let me bring you some examples. For example, ev. Ev means house. Ev, the last vowel in this letter is e. So you're gonna have to add lar to make it plural. Evler, it means houses. More than one house. Araba. Araba means car. Car in Turkish is araba. As you can see, the last vowel in this word is a. So you have to add lar to this word to make it plural. Arabalar. In Turkish, we have such concepts which is called sound matching. So whatever that you use needs to match the previous vowel. For example, if I'm saying kız, the vowel that matches is a. So it will be kızlar. But if I'm saying, for example, disco, discolar. Why? Because the last vowel in the word disco is o, which matches lar. Let me give you some more examples. Arabalar, kızlar, bulutlar, discolar. All of these ends with a, o, u, So you're gonna have to add lar. Let me bring you some examples for ler. Evler, erkekler, it means men or boys. Mevsimler, şoförler, küçükler. All of these have the last vowels of e, u, ve, i. Okay guys, so this lesson for make plural and singular things is finished now. Practice it and don't forget to subscribe our channel and check out our other videos for more useful, basic but important grammar.